Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel The Anadata Online, the trade and marketing catalyzer of Globe. Are you planning to start the fruits export business? Then this video is for you. Today in this video we will highlight. Number 1 is how can you procure cost-effective fruits from different parts from India. And number 2 is export opportunity across globe. So that you can get an overall idea about fruits export business. We all know India's diverse climate ensures the availability of all varieties of fresh fruits. India ranks second in fruits production in the world, after China. So as an fruit exporter you can easily procure different kindle of fruits from different parts of India. In our screen you can see the availability of different fruits from different states of India. Now let us start about the export opportunity of top 10 Indian fruits with global demand. Number 1 is Apples Export Business. Due to being high food value, apple have huge demand in international market. India's apple exports have jumped 82% since 2016, according to the Commerce Ministry data. Some preferred export quality of apple are green apple, Granny Smith, Pink Lady apple, Fuji apple, Gala apple, Honey Crisp apple, etc. During the apple procurement, as an exporter you must keep a note of the variety. Now let us discuss how to source apple for exports. If you're new to exporting, searching for apple suppliers for international markets, you may contact the farmers processing units of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Telangana, Assam for good quality with cost-effective procurement. Some popularly exported destinations are Singapore, Canada, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia. For more you can contact Indian Embassy on those countries for further support. Number 2 is Oranges Export Business. The high global demand for oranges comes from their multipurpose nature. Some popular Indian orange varieties exported are Nagpur orange, Coorg orange, Dansi, Darjeeling mandarin, and Kinno mandarin. Major countries India exports orange are BIMSTEC countries. India exports most of its orange to United States, Bangladesh, and United Arab Emirates. To know more in details you can comment below along with contact details. Number 3 is Mangoes Export Business. The fruit has massive demand, and that's why it is often exported by big-scale exporters through large cargo. Almost all varieties of this fruit have a big global demand. To know more you can comment below. Let us discuss how to source mangoes for exports. Some popularly exported mango varieties from India are include Alfonso, Kesar, Peri, Totapuri, Neelam, Langara, Dashari, Rajpuri, Himsagar, and Chausa, and the states involved in producing are Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Bihar, Telangana, Gujarat, West Bengal, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh. The major destinations of exports for mangoes are United States of America, Netherlands, Germany, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, France, Vietnam, Spain, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Belgium, Portugal, Thailand, Russian Federation, Lao People's Democratic Republic, Nepal, Iran. For more you can take help of the Embassy and local Chamber of Commerce. To know more in details you can comment below along with contact details. Number 4 is Pomegranates Export Business. India ranks 7th in production of pomegranate in the world, and the total area under cultivation is around 275,500 hectares. In India, the major pomegranate producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh. As an exporter you can do a tie-up from the FPO and local vendors for the good quality procurement. Recent trends show an increase in demand in the countries like Greece, Israel, Russia, UAE, and Italy. Indian varieties of this fruit include Alandi Vadki, Dholka, Kandhari, Kabul, Muscat, Paper Shelled, and Spanish Ruby. Coming to watermelons. Watermelons. India is always present in the top 3 countries that are the biggest producers of watermelon. This juicy and sweet summer fruit is famous for being extremely refreshing. Recent trends show an increase in demand, making this a good time for exports in Maldives, United Arab Emirates. Another fruit is bananas. This versatile and healthy fruit is one of the most exported fruits from India. Recent trends show an increase in demand in Iran, Iraq, UAE, Oman, Uzbekistan, Saudi Arabia, Nepal, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Afghanistan, and the Maldives. Additionally, there are abundant export opportunities in countries such as the USA, Russia, Japan, Germany, and other countries. Grapes. These fruits grow in clusters and come in a variety of colors such as green, purple, pink, and black. In the fiscal year 2022-23, India exported an impressive 267,950.39 metric tons of grapes worldwide, generating approximately 2,543.42 crores rupees. If you're new to exporting, finding grape suppliers for international markets, you may contact the Farmers Processing Units of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka for good quality with cost-effective procurement. Some preferred varieties of export are Thompson Seedless, Perlet, Anabi Shahi for export, and the destinations are Netherlands, Bangladesh, UAE, Russia, Germany, Hong Kong, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Nepal. To know more else, you can take help of our exporter listing page. Coming to dragon fruit. The dragon fruit is said to be a powerhouse of nutrients and also may help in fighting chronic diseases. If you are looking for dragon fruits import from India, Pisum Foods is here to serve you. Preferred export destinations are Bhutan, Maldives, and United Kingdom. To know more in details, you can comment below along with contact details. Let us start detailing about guava export opportunities. The guava export from India has been rapidly growing due to the growing demand of the fruit worldwide. The export of guava from India is a good business opportunity for many newly started exporters as the profit margin is high. Export quality guava producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, and West Bengal. Guava majorly exported to Germany, Poland, United Kingdom, and France, Netherlands. Coming to coconut export business. India exports coconut to more than 140 countries around the world. You can procure good quality coconut from states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and try to export countries like Vietnam, the UAE, Bangladesh, Malaysia, and USA. In this video, the last one is pineapple export business. Pineapple is one of the most popular tropical fruits. 7% of the world's pineapple production is done in India. Thus, Indian pineapple exports to Qatar, United Arab Emirates, and Maldives. For more this kind of video, please subscribe our channel and list your company in Annadutta Online Business e-Directory.